Welcome everyone, all I tried to fix the game audio on the Xbox Series S not working. So the first thing you just want to check, really cheesy but it may be your problem, is you just want to make sure that the actual game sound is enabled inside of the game. So you do this usually by clicking on start in the menu screen and then find sound. Just make sure game volume is set on, or if you have the option for master volume, you have that on to the max. And then, you know, if it's not on, you just set it on, and just like that, that will solve your issue. However, if this doesn't solve your issue, then we're going to have to go a bit deeper. So what we're going to do first of all is we just want to navigate to Profile and System. So you do this by clicking on the Xbox button on the controller, RB until Profile and System, click into Settings. And once you're in Settings, what you're going to do is you just want to find here Volume and Audio Output. Click into this one, and you see your HDMI audio. Make sure you set this to stereo uncompressed, and then you see headset audio. Just set this to one which just switch these around, and hopefully eventually one of those will work. If you have other options with HDMI audio, you just mess around with that until things work. Now if you mess around with these settings, that doesn't work, click into additional options, test allow pass-through, mono output, stuff like that, and see if that works. You also may have a situation where mute speaker audio and headset attached is turned on. If you have that on, you want to turn that one off. Now if you try those things and that isn't working, well then we're going to have to do a couple of troubleshooting. So first of all, if you're trying to get the audio to work from, the TV, the speakers, make sure no headphones are actually connected to the TV or the monitor. Also make sure no Bluetooth headphones may have accidentally paired to the monitor as well. Another thing I recommend you do is you just test whether or not, in a live TV and stuff like that, the audio is working. So if you have a TV, go to the live TV section, see if the audio works from there. If it is working, then, well, it's the issue with the console. If it isn't working, then what you're going to have to do is just make sure the audio is on. Like, use the remote, turn the audio on. If you have a monitor, what you're going to have to do instead is just plug in a PC. If you can't do that, just try and see if there's a volume option. Just make sure the volume is actually on, because if it isn't on, then obviously it's not going to work. If it is on and it's low, just set the volume higher and then see if that solves the issue there. Now if you are trying to work with headset audio, then of course you just want to unplug the headphones, plug them back in. That sometimes will just solve the issue just like that. If it doesn't work, try another controller. If you try another controller and that works, that means that the old controller you're using is faulty, so you may need to get a replacement from Microsoft. You can get those for free as long as the controller is under a year old, or if you bought it recently, just get a replacement one. Like, go to the store you bought it from, say it doesn't work, and they'll give you a replacement one completely free of charge. If you try all those things and that isn't working, what you're going to have to do is inside settings, you're going to have to basically factory reset. So you want to go to System here, Console Info, Reset Console, and then Reset and Keep My Games and Apps. So what this will do is it will reset all the settings on your console. However, the games will stay and the apps will stay. And so what this means is after the factory reset, you don't need to re-download your games. They'll all stay downloaded, even if they're on external hard drives, even if they're on the Seagate expansion. And yeah, that should solve the issue after you've done that. So you will need to set up your Series S again. That means entering all your logins or the Microsoft accounts. Once you've done that, you'll be good to go, and you can play games no problem. So that's everything you can do. If you try all those things and it still doesn't work, that means your Series S is faulty. You will need to get a replacement from Microsoft, or if you bought from the store, you need to get a replacement there. Or you can always use warranty. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.